Hi guys, welcome everyone, and this time we are going to unbox a footwear from Puma. I'm really excited for this. So let's get started without further ado. We have the first package with us that we purchased today. It is 21st of December 2025. It's a Sunday and it's about 10:43 p.m. So let's open this beauty. If you look at the box, it is of a different color than the usual color that you get from Puma. So this is kind of a maroon or a red color. The name of the footwear is Graviton Greenside. So let's open this. The price of this is 7,499 rupees. So, but we got it at a discounted price. I guess about 60% discount. We got it for 3,500 rupees. That's a really nice sleek deal that we got it for, and we have taken out the first shoe. If you look at the color combination, it has a kind of blue color mixed with some a tinge of purple on it. There is green here, yellow, white. So I normally don't wear these kind of colorful shoes, but I wanted to try it this time because I was getting this at a very nice discounted price. If you look at the sole, it's not that rubbery, but I give it for it. Uh, the quality is fine. The sole is also good, and it also has a nice green sole inside the shoe. Spongy sole, and I guess this is purple color, and so it feels good to hold it. But because it is all white here and the sole is also white, it might get dirty. I wouldn't be wearing it for everyday use, probably uh, on special occasions. It does feel comfortable, not as comfortable as the shoes that I normally wear, but since I got it for occasional, for wearing it on specific occasions, not on a regular basis. I got it. All right, let's take out the other pair as well. So this is a 9 size, and you can look at the sole, the design on it. Let me turn it around and show you all the angles of the shoe. If you look at the logo, it's imprinted green in color. Right, let's see what is written. It is a UK 9 size and US 10 size. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to look at this details. Let's try to fold it and see. When you try to fold it, you kind of get this mark over here, uh, and it has a good finishing. I did like the product, that is why I got it. I would definitely recommend you guys to get it if you are getting this shoe at this kind of a discounted price. And that's about it. This was the unboxing of Puma sneakers. The name of the sneaker is Graviton Greenside. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye.